Today we will be doing the bird dog exercise, the advanced version. The bird dog exercise is a great exercise to help stabilize and strengthen your core and to really help stabilize your lumbar spine, your lower back area. So to start with this, we're going to be on all fours. I am contracting or tightening my core. So when I say contract your core, I don't mean suck it in, I don't mean hollow it. Literally, if somebody was going to punch you in the stomach, you would tighten that area, you would contract that area. That's what we are doing. So again, we start on all fours. I contract my core, then I'm going to push out opposite arm, opposite leg, and I'm going to draw a square or a box in the air. So it looks something like this. So again, I contract my core, I'm going to push out my opposite arm and opposite leg so that they're roughly horizontal or slightly below that. Then I'm going to draw a box. So I'm going to go about 10 or 15 centimeters out, about 6 inches out. I'm going to drop down about the same. I'm going to come in about the same, and then I'm going to go up about the same. So I'm drawing a box or a square. And then I'm going to slowly come down. I'm not touching down, I'm slowly coming down. And I'm going up again on the same side. And again, I'm holding this. I'm going to go out, I'm going to go down, I'm going to go in, and I'm going to go up. Really controlled. Then I'm going to come down again. After I've done about 5 repetitions on that side, I'm going to switch sides. So again, I'm going to switch. I'm going to get set. I'm going to contract my core and then the opposite side. So I'm contracting, opposite arm, opposite leg. I'm actively pushing my leg back, pushing my arm up, making a fist. I'm going to go out about 10 or 15 centimeters. I'm going to drop down about the same. I'm going to come in, and I'm going to come up. And then I'm going to come down nice and slowly. I'm going to go up again, same side. Out, down, in, up. Again, after I've done about 5 repetitions of that, I'm going to switch sides. Ideally, doing about 3 repetitions of this, of 5 repetitions, if not about 5 repetitions the first set, 4 repetitions, and then 3 repetitions in the third set. Couple key points here. Main thing is to make sure that you're staying stable through here. The lower back muscles, those core muscles, they are working to stabilize this area. The function of the core is to prevent motion. So as my arm is moving, as my legs are moving, the core muscles, they are contracting to actually prevent motion in the lumbar spine. That is absolutely key. So the entire time you really need to focus on keeping this contracted and tight through here, throughout the entire core. When I'm going up and out, I'm doing it nice and slowly. So I'm going like this. I am actively pushing my leg back. I'm not thinking about raising my leg or lifting my leg. Oftentimes when people lift or raise it, they end up twisting or going too high, and that puts torsioning stress onto their lumbar spine, which is not good. So I'm really focusing on just pushing it straight back. My heel's coming back, my arm is going out, I'm making a fist, I'm pushing it out. It's a very controlled movement. So I'm going out, very controlled. I'm going down, very controlled. I'm going in, very controlled. I'm going up. That whole time, all these muscles through here have to be contracting to stabilize my lumbar spine, my lower back. And then I come down. None of this should be painful. If it's painful, please stop, let us know. We can work on modifying it. It is better to do this a little bit slower, a little bit more controlled, than to rush through it. Better to do fewer sets, fewer repetitions, and maintain proper form than to push through it and potentially causing injury. Any questions about any of this, please ask.